Hello everyone. Today we will see about the IoT devices. So what is IoT devices? IoT devices are pieces of hardware such as sensors, actuator, gadgets, appliances or machine that are programmed for certain application, and these devices can transmit data over the internet, or they can send data other network also. So in IoT devices there are physical objects actually that sense things going on in the physical world. So this is the IoT device. It will sense data from the sensor. Then they contain a integrated CPU and network adapter and a firmware, and are usually connected to a dynamic host configuration protocol server, and it also require an IP address to function over the network. So in IoT devices there are some are the sensor. These are the sensors like temperature, humidity sensor, ultrasonic sensor. This is the air quality sensor. This is the gyroscope and accelerometer. Some are actuators. So sensor and actuator is the part of IoT devices, and some microcontroller also. Some 8-bit, 32-bit, 16-bit microcontroller that are also. So right now we are discussing about the IoT devices. It means we are working on perception layer. So what is Raspberry Pi? So Raspberry Pi is a low cost, low power consumption, credit card size single board computer. So it is the size, it is the Raspberry Pi. The size of the Raspberry Pi is equal to the credit card, and it is a single board computer. Means on single board you can use computer facilities. So what you can do with Raspberry Pi? With Raspberry Pi you can do IoT, you can do home automation, you can do robotics, you can do security system, and also you can use Raspberry Pi as a portable PC and many.
To learn more about IoT, visit www.upskillcampus.com.